Welcome back to my channel. Please like and share this video. And subscribe my channel. Today I am gonna show you all types of desserts with name that you need to know. Pancake, muffin, crepes, ice cream, popsicle, pie, cupcake, macarons, cake, tart, waffles, honey, jelly, eclair, wafer, chocolate, yogurt, candy, Kaiserschmarrn, Zabolioni, Dobus Tort, cinnamon roll, poffertjes, scones, pavlova, Danish pastries, mousse, cream brulee, flan, brownies, cookies, donuts, gelate, sorbet, trifle, parfait, cannoli, baklava, pudding, profiteroles, tiramisu, churros. Thanks for watching. See you soon.